All right, a little story time. So we have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler here. This is our personal vehicle. The other day we were driving and the LCD screen here just went 100% dead, just went completely black. So I took it up to the dealer where we bought it from, which is not a Dodge dealer, and they confirmed, yeah, the instrument cluster is bad. So he looked into it, found out there's a recall open for 2018 to 2024 Jeep Wrangler, Gladiators, and Gladiators, I should say. But he did confirm that, but my VIN was not associated with that recall. So I took it to the Dodge dealer, filed a claim with Jeep Customer Care. Long story short, it wasn't going to get covered, regardless, whether I fought it or not. It is what it is. It's what you buy, what you get for buying something used, you know. So the place I got it from wanted about $900 to fix it. The Dodge dealer here in where I'm at, they wanted like $1,300 to fix it, and you know, a little pricey for me. Haven't even made a Jeep payment on this thing yet. So, long story short, browsing forums, and I found a gentleman who ended up taking his instrument cluster out and got a hold of a company called United Radio. They're out of Syracuse, New York. Called them up, sent them a shipping label, yada yada, whole works. So I called them up, gave them my VIN number, gave them my part number for the instrument cluster, and they said, yep, we got parts in stock, you can send it to us. So set everything up. They sent me a shipping label. I took it out, shipped it to them. This was on a Tuesday. I went to the UPS store and dropped it off, and today is now Saturday. So what, 5 days, 4 days later, 4 or 5 days later, I got it back and installed. So the turnaround was really nice, really quick. Ended up costing me a little over $200, like $220 after tax and stuff. So repair, super easy, super quick. It took me 10 minutes to take this thing out of the dash, if that. And then, as you've seen, I put it back in, or as you're going to see, I put it back in. And it works. It's all functional, got no issues. So if you guys are looking to get your instrument cluster repaired and you don't want to spend $1,400 at the dealership to get it fixed, I would give United Radio a call. They might be able to help you out. So that being said, God bless. Talk to you guys later. Yeah, instrument cluster bad. Woohoo! Let's see. I definitely put in a better shipping clean than I did. Sweet. Yeah, I marked it too. Let's see the original one. Let's see if she works. Yeah, I really didn't make a video taking this apart because I needed the part number off the back of this thing as soon as I could. So I took it out in a hurry. So you guys will be able to see the steps putting it back together. So got this trim piece here. Got my radio out. Got the bezel piece here. A lot of this stuff's just plug and play anyways. Got bezel there. So this guy literally sits right there. There's our connector. Slide that down in there. Connect it up. Snip. And that just slides back in there like that. It's kind of gets in the way. So then you got 4 screws. You got a screw there, a screw down there, there, and there. So I'll put those screws in. All right. So now that's in there. Got the 4 screws in. Boom, 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 boom. Go ahead and take our bezel piece. Make sure your steering wheel's in a down position. That's just going to pop back up. And you'll see those 2 white screw holes there. Focus. There you go. That's going to slide in there. And there's just pops in. Just click in, push that in, and there, click in. And then actually there's 4. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I'll go ahead and put those screws in. All right, so after I got those 4 screws back in, we'll go over this way, take our radio, put the radio back in place. Some people don't take the radio all the way out, but I decided to. So this guy just slides right back up there. So you got a screw hole there, got one there, and one there. I'll go ahead and put those in. All right, now that we've got the 4 screws in there, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'm gonna take our radio bezel piece. Go ahead and scooch that up. Like I said, these things come with clips. Everything's just clipped in on this thing. Go ahead and put that up there. That just pops in, just like that. Then there is 2 screw holes. One there, and one there. Gotta put those in. Alright, got that bolted back in there. Take our heater, AC controls. Same dealio. There's a bunch of tabs there. Then we'll put that up there, and it's just gonna snap right in. Beautiful. Look at that. Just like how it's supposed to be. And then we take the top piece up here. And the same thing. Whole bunch of little tabs. Make sure they go in the right spot so you're not breaking them. I'm gonna click them in place. Make sure that they aren't banging up on anything. Just like that. Alright, it's all back together. Let's plug the battery back in and see what happens. Alright. Nice little pop. Alright, she's on there tight. See if we have any action. It's a little cold here in Wisconsin. Hey, we got a screen again. Screen again, dead battery maybe? Oh, there it goes. Got to clear off my phone there. Back in action, baby.